Hi, today we'll explain you how to use the F-808 device. First, connect the spatula applicator and the bracelet. Once everything is connected, turn on the device and select P2 for ultrasonic skin scrubber and P1 for galvanic current. Apply some conductive gel on the metallic part of the bracelet and place it around your client's wrist. Now the treatment can start by using the spatula. Select P2 to activate the skin scrubber. Select the desired kind of wave by pressing state. Red is for continuous wave, orange is for pulsed, and green is for combined. And gradually adjust the level of intensity. The braces must be correctly placed on your client's wrist. To start working with a skin scrubber spatula to exfoliate and apply products to the skin. To use the galvanic current, press P1. Again, make sure the bracelet is correctly placed on your client's wrist. Press lead to switch between positive current in red and negative current in green. Adjust the intensity and start the treatment using the spatula by the flat part of the blade. To work with the combined function, ultrasonic skin scrubber and galvanic current at the same time, press P1 and P2, select the kind of wave as well as the positive or negative current and adjust the desired intensity. This is all you need to know about the use of the F-808 device. For more information about our devices, visit our website and subscribe for more.